Next, we will take a look at how to connect to OneDrive and how to pull the data from, let's say I have uploaded an Excel file on my OneDrive, right? So what is OneDrive? OneDrive is a cloud service, Microsoft cloud service. You have, so they give 5 GB of free space. Supposing you don't have space in your laptop, you can load to clean up your laptop, you load data into OneDrive. And also from the important files, for example, not only space issue, let's say you find certain files are very important for you, you wanted to upload in cloud also, you can use OneDrive for up to 5 GB, they give free space. Okay, so here, let's say you are working for in a project, in the customer data are available in OneDrive. So what they say is, hey, the data, the Excel data is for the report which you are supposed to create it. For that, the data is available in OneDrive. You need to connect there and you can pick up from there. Okay. So now what I do is I just go to the Power or some browser, your favorite browser. And then what I do is I just drive.google.com. I don't know how many of you used it. So OneDrive, right? So OneDrive, Google. You just type it in the Google also. Yeah, drive.google.com. You just click on the Google Drive. Drive.google.com. You can also try it out. Okay, it's very helpful. All the important files you can store it here. Okay, supposing you think something can go wrong with your laptop hard disk, so in that case you can go ahead and use this one. Okay, for example, I just 1 second. Let me just. I don't know, our people they changed this one also. Yeah, I will use this ID so that I don't have to re-upload everything again. Oh my god, this is asking the password. I already have an account. So if you don't have an account, you can go and sign up with drive.google.com. Okay. You can sign up with your email ID. So now I just logged in with my already signed up with the Google Drive. Look here, I just click on it here and you can see the manage account, everything. And you will find the settings, everything here. Google Drive, get Drive for desktop, everything, settings, everything is there. You don't have to worry about everything. So I logged in with the drive.google.com using my Google email ID. Okay. And here, if I scroll down here, so we can see a lot of Excel files are there, and this various things are there here. Okay, okay. My drive. So let me do one thing. I'll just check sales underscore W04 or retail sales. It is not there. Sorry, OneDrive.live.com, not that one, not the drive. So OneLive.live.com. Sorry, somehow I mistakenly. So here I just connected it already. So this is what OneDrive, not the drive.google.com. And this is Microsoft product. Okay, the OneDrive.live.com. So that is Google one, and this is Microsoft OneDrive.live.com. And if you go here, you will find. I want to use this data set. This here, the CSV file, not the CSV, Excel file. We'll use some Excel file, retail sales.xls file. So this file, I need to use it to create a report. This is what the data given to me by my customer. He said, hey, this file is available on OneDrive.live.com. So how do I read the data from this Excel file into my Power BI desktop? How to load this Excel file data into my Power BI? So what I need to do is you need to click on this one. First, you need to select this file. Next to that, you will find the three dots. These three dots are called ellipses. You click on the three dots, and here you will find something called embed. You click on the embed. It'll create an embedded link, something like iframe. Okay. You just click on it here and use Control C, and then open up a notepad. So there is no separate connector is available in Power BI Desktop to connect to the OneDrive directly. Okay, you need to do some kind of gimmicks in order to pull the data from this Excel file which got uploaded into your the OneDrive. So what you do is simply copy paste that embedded link, iframe link, into a notepad. Okay, the next step is inside the double quote, whatever is there, right? The URL alone, the HTTPS URL alone, you need to copy it, Control C. Remember that next to the SRC equal sign, right? Follow the equal sign, you'll find the double quote. Starting from here, HTTPS to till the end to don't select the double quote, okay? You just do this, and then the next line I just copy. So in the embed, what I do is here I'm going to make some little bit changes. For your reference, I'll leave it as it is. Okay, here the just before the question mark, the embed, I'm going to make it as a download. I'll rename it as, so I just replace the embed by download. And at EM2, right? So what I'm doing is here, I'm going to remove this one and app equal to Excel. I just put Excel here. And then I just simply copy this. And then I'll go back to my Power BI desktop and click on the get data. And here you will find something called web. Hit that web connector, and then you paste it here. Okay. What are the changes you made to the URL? You just paste it, hit the OK button, and let's wait for some time. I'm not sure if you have to remove the ampersand EM2. Let's see if it throws in. I will try that one because I tried it long back. It's still connecting. Let's wait for some time. It will not take this much of waiting for OneDrive or less. Sometimes it may take some time, but yes, it was able to connect to that a retail store Excel file from the OneDrive site, and click on the checkbox next to the retail store. It will open up the data that are, it will load the preview data that are available as per retail store, right? And then I'm going to hit the load button. So now the OneDrive Excel file data will get loaded into your Power BI desktop. Wait for some time. So in the interest of time, I'm, for the demo purpose, I'm using less number of records. Everything's in thousands, okay? But in the real world scenario, it's all millions. It takes a lot of time because if I try to load 1 million record or 25 million records, it will take 4 hours time. Now it got loaded. So what I do is I directly go to the data view, and then I just go and check here. I just go up, look here, along with the sales W04, the retail store also got loaded. We know retail store is a Excel file, but as per the Power BI desktop, it will consider all type of file as a table. Okay. Now you select the retail store to view the retail store related data. Look here, this is your retail store related data. So the data got rid. So this is how you can work with the the OneDrive. Okay. In case any Excel file which are available in OneDrive, this is the step that you can follow it and you can do it. But there are some option apart from this one, right? Instead of doing manually all the things. So what happens is in the OneDrive, I just show you here. You just click on it here in the three dot, and then you can open Excel online. Okay, or open Excel in app, something like that. We'll try this one. But the Excel, Microsoft Excel, which I installed in my laptop is not the original one. Hence, it is not showing all the option. Okay, in your laptop, you give it a try. Maybe if it is a original version, right? If it is a original version, actually, when you click on the file here, here it will show some option. Okay, here it is not there. Here in your laptop, maybe you will find some option like open in. So where is that? Sorry, the options. You need to click on the options. Not the options in the home itself will show an option like open in the Power BI desktop or something like that. Okay, but the approach whatever I explained you, that is pretty much enough. Okay, you can try this option, that is more than sufficient. Okay. So with this demo, hope all of you understood how to connect to OneDrive and how to pull the data from that, right? Fine.